Birthday ko, kaya dapat merong shrimp. Yes. Ito na nga ang ingredients, lemon, salt and pepper, butter, garlic. At pinaiinit na nga ang kaldero.
So we go in and cook this shrimp.
Lola, paanong lulutuin mo sa akin ngayong birthday ko?
Ang lulutuin natin ngayong birthday mo is shrimp a la rec.
Shrimp a la rec, ah?
Yeah. So, pagluluto ko ang mahal kong asawa ng favorite niyang shrimp a la rec.
Happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday! Itong shrimp a la rec, meron talagang secret ingredient. Hindi ko sasabihin, secret nga. A little sprinkle of lemony. Lemony. And we are done. Ang shrimp a la Shrek.
Shrek. Yum, yum. Thank you, my love.
I love you. Happy birthday.
I love you.
Happy birthday!
Tapos, teternohan mo pa ng garlic chili sauce ng Hipolito's Kitchen. Sobrang sarap. Shoutout nga pala sa Sisi Coach ko. Hi, Sisi Loom! Uy, may kumakatok.
Who is it?
Hi. Delivery. Happy birthday.
My birthday highlight is my family who gives me so much love and happiness. At kayo, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta.